beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for sticking with me. Thank you for coming back. If it's your first time here, welcome. I am Shauna, but you can call me Shaunz. Thank you so much for stopping by. I know guys, it's been over a month. I am so sorry. I had to take a break, and I also had to take a break because I was working on one of my businesses, which I'm going to talk to you guys about in a minute. But I want to say thank you so much for sticking around. Thank you so much for rocking with me, for subscribing, for commenting, for liking, for sharing. Thank you so much. I love you guys, and I thank you for sticking around. I know I've been gone for a long while. I've never done this since I've been on YouTube. I've been on YouTube for over 3 years, and I've never taken such a long break, but I just had to. I was running out of ideas. I was getting flustered. I needed to step back and just breathe for a minute. And I'm sure it happens to a lot of you guys. And it's okay to take a break. It's okay to reinvent yourself and come back all fresh and nice and bring out nice material for you guys. So thank you so much. Now, I just want to tell you about my little venture that I'll be starting up. So stick around.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Oh.
Okay, so if you guys have been following me on Instagram and Facebook, then you would have known by now that I am starting my own beauty line. Now it's called Shaunz Beauty. I am launching a website on July 23rd, 2018 at 10 a.m. EST. So make sure you guys go and check it out. Set your calendars and set your clocks. Now, I also have a page on Instagram. It's called Shaunz Beauty. And I also have a Facebook page. It's called Shaunz Beauty as well. So I will leave all the links in the description box so you guys can just check it out. But I'll be launching, as I said, on the 23rd of July. And I'll be launching some lashes. I'll be launching 3D mink lashes and silk lashes. Now, guys, I've been working really hard on this, and I truly hope that you guys will, show me some support and also like what I put out there. Now, I'm starting off with lashes, but I am also branching off into other beauty products. I will be adding my glues, my lash applicators, my lash curlers and scissors and mirrors, and this will happen in the next couple of weeks. So keep your eyes peeled for that. But at the launch, I'll be launching the lashes first. And this is what my lash box looks like. It's a lovely, sleek pink and white, and that's my logo right there. It's an eye, and it says Shaunz Beauty. I will zoom in so you guys can have a better look. But that's what the box looks like. I thought it was very simplistic, and it was very clean and sleek. I don't like too much excitement on anything, so I like to keep it nice and simple and clean. I know I was kind of toying with the idea of a black box, which I may add, I don't know, because white gets dirty very easily, and if you're like me, it's gonna get dirty in like 2.5 seconds. So this is what the box looks like, and when you open it, it has the lash right there, and the box part on the inside is a lovely glitter pink. I thought it was the cutest thing ever. Now, it's a box like this. It's a magnetic box, so it closes like that, and you just open it like that, and then you have this little piece of string that you use to pop out the lash from the box. And this pair is called Sassy. As you can see, the branding name is right there. And I will tell you a little bit about how I came to name all the lashes. But this is what it looks like. This one is called Sassy. I am wearing the pair called Shauna. It was only right that I named the pair after myself because, boy, I've been working really hard, guys. I have been working. So the pair I'm wearing right now is called Shauna, and it's a lovely fluttery pair of mink lashes. I'm going to zoom in for you guys so you can see in a minute. Yeah, but this pair is called Shauna. So I have 8 pairs of mink lashes at the moment, and I have 5 pairs of silk lashes. Now, I named all the lashes S, as you might see on the website. They're all named with an S because I wanted to name them from, my sisters and my cousins and my very close girlfriends. So if you look on the website and you see all the names, they will begin with S, and they are names of my sisters, cousins, and my very close girlfriends. and you will have a few other names on there, which I thought, you know, I love using those words, and I thought they were really cute. You'll find like sophisticated, yes, because, you know, I think I'm sophisticated sometimes. And you'll find strut, and you'll find sassy, because we all got a little bit of sass, honey. Yes, so you will find a few names on there that are not exactly named after a person, but I named those names because I thought they were, you know, cute names, and I like those. I like using those words. But I will also be adding more lashes as the time progresses. But as of now, I only have 13 pairs. I have 8 mink and 5 silk. All right. So because this video is going to go up before the launch of the website, I'm going to leave the link so you guys can click on it and leave your email so you can be notified of when the store is launched. So of course, make sure you check the description box. And thanks to all the lovely dolls who've been rocking Shaunz Beauty lashes. You all look so fabulous and beautiful, and I love you guys. Thank you. I just wanted to share the names of the lashes with you guys so you can just get familiar right now. So you have Shauna, Sassy, Sally, Sharon, Shelly, Sasha, Strut, Sophisticated, Starry, Shanette, Samantha, Shade, and Sharika. If you're a friend of mine and your name begins with S, don't feel any way. Maybe in the future, you never know, you might get something named after you. But those are the names of all the lashes, and I said there are 13 lashes as of now, and I'll, you know, add some more as the time progresses. So I want you guys to go and check out this site. As I said, I will leave the link in the description box so you guys can go have a look around and see if there's anything you'd like to try out. As I said as well in the beginning of the video, I will be adding other beauty stuff, but as of right now, I'm just focusing on getting the lashes out there, and I'm hoping that you guys will support this. This is one of many businesses. I have so many ideas in this little head of mine, guys. You have no idea. I have so many ideas just rolling about in my head, and you know, if you guys stick around, you will see most of them. I will try and bring most of them to life. I know in life, not everything you try to do will be successful, but you have to try. You have to try something, and you never know. You never know what might take off. You just never know. You just have to try, right? So yeah, that's what I wanted to come and tell you guys. My new business, ShaunzBeauty.com. I am super excited. I am nervous, and I cannot wait for this business to launch off into the stratosphere. Yes, I am looking for all things good. I'm keeping my fingers crossed. I am praying, I am grateful, I'm thankful, and I'm hopeful that everything will be a-okay. So thank you guys so much. I just want you to go and check out this site. Thank you so much for sticking around. As I said, I really missed you guys so much. I can't believe that I stayed away this long. I just can't believe it. Time just flies, yo. Like, whew. You think that you're away for 3 days, and boom, you look, it's like over a month going on to 2 months. And I never meant to stay away that long, but as I said, I needed the break, and I needed the time to, you know, work on this business. And guys, there are a lot of times I get discouraged on here because obviously you've been doing something and you don't really see the kind of results that you wish or you hope for. And my channel, to be really honest with you guys, my channel wasn't growing. It's like it's been stagnant, and I hope that coming back will just bring more people in. And that can be quite discouraging when you've put you put your heart and your soul in something and you're not getting the kind of result that you wish or hope for. But you know what? I love doing this thing. I love making videos. I love interacting with you guys. I love reading your comments, and I love responding. I love the whole thing, and I will never ever stay away, because you know what? If I'm stuck at 1,300 subscribers, so be it. I know that you guys love me, and I love you right back. And I thank you so much for sticking with me. And I hope to see you in my next video. I have a video coming up maybe next week or something like that, showcasing another pair of my mink lash. I'm going to show you how I apply it, and I'm also going to tell you the name. So thank you guys so much for watching. I do hope you enjoyed this video, and I am back, and I'm hoping that I'll be staying around. So thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Mwah. Bye.